Hi students! Kamusta kayo ngayon? By the way, I am Teacher Me-an, and today I'm going to teach you how to add fractions. Okay? And at the end of our discussion, it's your turn to apply what you've learned. So keep your eyes on the screen, listen, and enjoy.
Okay, let's start. Our first example is 1/6 plus 1/2. Ngayon, instead of adding these two fractions, the way or the usual way of solving it, I'm going to share with you or teach you other way to add these two fractions. And I called it butterfly method. Bakit ba? Kasi nakita ko, nung ginawa ko siya, itsura siyang butterfly. And madali lang siya kasi ang gagawin lang natin, it's just multiplication or magmumultiply lang tayo. So, paano ba yon? Ganito siya. Una, i-multiply natin yung kanilang denominators, o 6 and 2. So, dodrawing ko siya ng oval. Then, multiply natin 6 times 2, which is 12. Then, dito naman sa kabilang side na to, 1 times 2 is 2. Then, yung operation na plus. And, ito namang side na to, 1 times 6 is 6. Yan. And after that, kung titignan yung drawing, for me, it looks like a butterfly. Okay? Then, dito naman, add natin yung numerator. 6 plus 2 is 8 over 12. Ngayon, alam na alam natin na kapag fractions, kailangan yan ay nakasimplify. Ngayon, take note lang, paano ba natin malalaman kapag isi-simplify siya or hindi na? Hindi na natin siya isi-simplify kapag yung ating numerator at denominator, ang kanilang GCF or greatest common factor nila ay 1 na lang. Pero kapag hindi pa, may mga factors pa siya, well, kailangan natin silang i-simplify. Dahil si 8 at 12 ay may mga factors pa. So definitely, we need to simplify this fraction. Then, I'm going to teach you how to simplify these fractions with two solutions. First, getting their prime factors. And the second one is yung kanilang GCF. Pero unahin muna natin yung prime factors nila. Ano ba yung mga prime factors ni 8? 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Over then yung 12 naman, 2 times 2 times 3. Then pagkatapos, ika-cancel lang natin o tatanggalin natin yung mga common factors nila from the numerator then dun sa denominator. Which is yung 2 and then yung 2. Then yung mga natira, i-rewrite lang natin. So we have 2 over 3. Okay, so this is our final answer. Next, yung isa naman, sabi ko kanina, dalawa yan. So yung isa, copy lang natin yung 8 tsaka yung 12. Then, kukunin natin yung kanilang GCF. Ano ba yung GCF nila? Okay, 4. Or yung kanilang greatest common factor. So, divide natin pareho sa 4. Then, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Very good. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Yan. So, the answer is also 2/3. Kung mapapansin nyo, pareho sila ng sagot. Ngayon, kayo mamili kung ano yung mas madali sa inyo o mas comfortable kayong gamitin. Prime factors ba o yung kanilang GCF? Okay? Okay, our next example will be mixed fractions. Sa mixed fractions, ang ginagawa ko para mas madali siyang isolve, ihihiwalay natin yung kanilang mga whole numbers. Okay, sa 1/3, yung 1, plus 2/4, yung 1 din. Yan, add lang natin. So we have 2. Then, hayaan lang natin yung 2 or yung whole number dito sa side na to. Then, yung fraction na 1/3, yun yung i-add natin muna. Then, yung 2/4. Yan. Mas maganda separate nating i-add para mas hindi siya nakakalito, 'di ba? Mas madali natin siyang masosolve. Ngayon, so sa pag-a-add nito, gagawin lang natin yung ginawa natin dun sa first example natin, which is also the butterfly method. Then magmumultiply lang din tayo na magmumultiply. So we have 3 times 4, 12. Then this one, tong side na to, 1 times 4 is 4. Then plus, then 2 times 3 is 6. Then after that, add natin. So we have 10 over 12. So again, may mga factors pa ang 10 at 12. So ulitin ko, pwedeng dalawa gamitin nyo. Una yung prime factors or yung kanyang GCF. So gawin natin pareho para mas maintindihan nyo pa siya. So ang prime factors ng 10 is 2 times 5. Right? Then yung 12, 2 times 2 times 3. Then ulit cancel natin o tanggalin natin yung common factor nila, which is 2. Then yung natira sa taas is 5, rewrite natin. Then yung nasa baba naman, yung dot, syempre tandaan natin that's multiplication. So kailangan natin i-multiply yung 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then wag natin kakalimutan yung ating whole number which is 2. So, i-add lang natin, isusulat lang natin dito sa gitna ng 5 and 6. So, the answer is 2 and 5 over 6. Yung isang way naman ulit, yung GCF ng 10 and 12, ano ba yung greatest common factor nila? Tama. So, ang greatest common factor nila is 2, right? So, divide natin sa 2. Pareho. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then, 12 divided by 2 is 6. And of course, huwag natin kakalimutan yung whole number natin. 2. Yan. So, same answer lang sila. Ulit, reminders, students, huwag na huwag kakalimutan ng whole number kapag ikaw ay may whole number. Kasi isa yan sa mga common error ng mga estudyante kapag nag-a-add sila ng mixed fractions. Nakakalimutan lagi yung whole number. Okay, so don't forget that. And this will be our last example. So another mixed fractions. So ganun pa din, katulad dun sa una, set aside natin yung whole numbers, 2 and 6. So 2 plus 6, and that is 8. Then yung kanilang fractions, which is 3/5, add natin sa 2/3. Yan. Then again, using the butterfly method, just like the other examples. So just need to multiply them. So 5 times 3, 15. Then dito naman, 3 times 3, 9. Plus 2 times 5 is 10. Then let's add. So we have 10 plus 9 is 19 over 15. So this time, yung ating fraction is an example of improper. Kapag improper fractions, tandaan mga students, kailangan natin siyang i-divide. So divide natin 19 divided by 15. So you only have 1, then multiply natin. 1 times 15 is 15. Then we need to subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So we don't need to write it here. Or, lagyan natin ng or. So, para ma-arrange natin to, ito, isa to sa mga common error ng mga estudyante na nalilito sila paano ba ilagay o iayos to into a mixed fraction. So, tatandaan lang yung ating quotient, yun, yung number sa taas, yun ang ating whole number. Yan, lagyan natin ng arrow para mas maintindihan. Yan. And then, yung ating remainder, itong 4, yun yung ating numerator. Okay? Ayan. And then, of course, yung ating divisor, yun yung ating denominator. Or, tandaan nyo lang, denominator, divisor. Di ba? Pareho silang D. Okay? Ayun. And then, of course, huwag kakalimutan, meron tayong whole number doon. Pero may another whole number tayo. So, anong gagawin natin? Okay, katulad ng ginawa natin dito, parehong whole number, i-add lang din natin yung 8 at saka yung 1. Okay, so 8 plus 1 is 9. And then, i-copy lang natin yung fraction na 4 over 15. So, may factors pa ba ang 4 at 15? May common factor ba sila? Or may GCF ba silang dalawa? Greatest common factor ang 4 and 15? Okay, wala na. So, hindi na natin siya isi-simplify kasi nakasimplify na siya. So, ang sagot is 9 and 4 over 15. Yan. I hope you enjoy at may natutunan kayo sa tinuro ko ngayon. So, now, it's your turn. It's your turn to apply what you've learned from our discussion today. I hope you enjoy it.